People are asking what can they do for the holidays to keep themselves healthy, and one thing is your home care. So I'm back here at our big home care kit supply closet, and I'm starting to wonder if some of yours don't look just like the home care kits in the closet here. Like for example, here's the spinal molding rolls, which you should be using nightly. You would put the big one behind your neck and the little one behind your lower back. You'd be laying on it to mold the curve back into the spine, and then either the neck or the lower back. But if yours are still in the plastic package, they don't work very well. So step one, that I sometimes don't explain, is actually opening the home care equipment and using them. Rolls, really important this time of year. So you got to undo a lot of that damage you're causing laying on those at night. What else we got going on in here? If you have a pink roll versus a gray one, pink is softer. The gray is harder, and so if you feel like these aren't giving you enough molding, you can upgrade and go to the gray ones. You have one of each of those, or if your grays are all beat up and wore out, you can grab a new one. Just tell the front desk, they can help you with that. So those are done every night. What else do we have in here? The head weight. You should have one of these. Take it out of the package, put the weighting in. Make sure the weighting that you use in the office is the same that you're doing at home. You're going to wear this just like you would in the office, and you'll be marching. You'll be doing that in the morning for a couple of minutes, just marching while you're working. Keep your ear back over your shoulder. Extremely important, especially if you have a desk job. You got to undo that damage. What else is in here? Oh, a little reading material, Dr. Livingood's book. If you haven't read this, you should dive into it. Start, if you need a great place to look at real briefly, Chapter 5 is amazing, all about the nerve system. It's one of my favorites. Your wobble ball, you can take this to work with you. You can use this at home. You should be warming your spine up in the morning and night, all the time. Wobble ball, extremely important, especially for lower back issues, to get the spine moving. Your spine doesn't have its own blood supply. It relies on movement in order to push nourishment around. So use your wobble ball. Blow it up if you need it re-blowing up, or if it's too flat, come on in and we'll make sure and do that for you. And so I just wanted to highlight some of the home care equipment for you. The last piece I guess I can highlight is your wedges. If you don't know how to use these, make sure you ask us at the table. Extremely important for leveling the hips back out so that they're nice and even. Everybody's different though. So many people not using these, and then we take a new x-ray and you have a bad hip problem. Well, we got to get these back in. Please ask at the table if you don't know how to use them. Home care, home care, home care. That is something you can dial in and focus on through the end of 2016 to really help your spine, help out your immune system, and keep you strong this time of year instead of going the other way.